And hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Francisco, and I'm here to help you if you're locked out of your Android device. In this video, we're going to walk you through 7 effective methods to bypass the Android lock screen and get back into your phone quickly. From built-in Android options to using third-party tools, each method is explained step by step so you can choose the one that works best for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And let's get started on unlocking your Android. Method number 1. Bypass Android lock with Android lock screen removal without data loss. Let's jump into the first method for those who don't want to risk erasing important phone data. One of the best tools for this is Dr. Phone Screen Unlock for Android. It is a powerful user-friendly software specifically designed to help Android users quickly and safely unlock their devices without data loss. This is true for Samsung and LG devices, and a straightforward interface guides you through each step, making it easy for even non-tech savvy users to bypass the lock screen. You can also bypass FRP lock on all major Android brands like Oppo, Mi, Vivo, Samsung, Moto, etc. Plus, with its extensive compatibility and quick effective performance, Dr. Phone Screen Unlock for Android offers one of the most reliable ways to bypass a forgotten lock screen. Now here is how you can remove screen lock with this software without any data loss on Android devices. First, download and install the Dr. Phone Screen Unlock for Android toolkit from the official Wondershare website on your computer. Now open this Android screen unlocker and navigate to Screen Unlock to choose Android as the device type. Connect your locked Android device to the computer using a USB cable. Now select Unlock Android Screen and follow it by selecting Android brand and clicking Remove without data loss. Next, provide the mobile details such as brand, device name, and device model. Following this, check the I agree with the warning and am ready to proceed box and hit Next. Agree to the warning prompt by entering the number 0 6 times as 000000 code and pressing Confirm. Now put your Android phone into download mode to kickstart the screen unlocking process. Once the phone is unlocked, hit Done to complete the operation. Method number 2. Bypass Android lock with Google Find My Device with data loss. Now let's move on to the second method, which uses Google's Find My Device feature. Unlike the previous method, this approach will reset your phone entirely, resulting in data loss. However, it is a straightforward option if you don't mind erasing everything on your device to regain access. Let's go through the process to bypass the Android lock through Google Find My Device. Open a web browser on your computer or another device and go to the Find My Device website. Make sure that you sign in with the same Google account that's linked to your locked Android device. Once signed in, you'll see a list of your registered devices. Select the Android device that you want to unlock. Then on the left side of the screen, you'll find several options. Here, choose Factory Reset Device and confirm this action by tapping Next and providing the account password. Then you should be good to go from there. Now with method number 3, bypass Android lock using the Forgot Pattern default feature for Android 4.4 or earlier. Next up, we have a built-in feature for Android devices running version 4.4 or earlier. If you've forgotten your pattern lock, Android offers a Forgot Pattern option that allows you to reset it without the need for any third-party tools. This method is fast and doesn't result in any data loss, but it's only available to really old devices. Let's go through the steps to utilize this technique. On the lock screen, try entering an incorrect pattern multiple times. After several failed attempts, a prompt should appear with an option to try again in 30 seconds or select Forgot Pattern. This will take you to a screen where you can bypass a lock using your Google account or security question. Enter your device's Google account username and password to reset the old pattern and create a new screen lock. Method number 4. Remove all data and lock screen with a factory reset with data loss. Our fourth method involves performing a factory reset on your Android device. This method will completely wipe all data and reset the device to its original settings, making it a good option if you don't mind starting fresh. Since a normal factory reset is not possible, we will use the hard factory reset. However, this technique will enable the FRP lock on your smartphone if your device is running Android 5.1 or later. This is how you can do it. Start by completely powering off your Android device to access recovery mode. Press and hold a specific combination of buttons. Typically, this involves holding the power plus volume up buttons together. The exact combination may vary depending on your device model. Once in recovery mode, use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data/Factory Reset option. Press the power button to select it. You'll be asked to confirm the factory reset. Select Yes or Factory Data Reset to proceed. After the factory reset is complete, choose the Reboot System Now option to restart the device. Your phone will boot like a new device. Method number 5, remove Android screen lock using ADB. Moving to the 5th method, let's look at how to bypass the Android lock screen using ADB, Android Debug Bridge. This method allows you to remove the lock screen by accessing your device's internal files. It requires a bit of technical know-how and will only work if USB debugging is already enabled on your device. Additionally, your phone needs to be rooted in most cases. To use this solution, just go ahead and follow these steps. Use a USB cable to connect your locked Android device to your computer with ADB installed. You can get it from the official Google repositories. On your computer, open Command Prompt and navigate to the folder where ADB is installed. Now enter the command adb start-server to begin and use ADB devices to list the devices connected through debugging mode. Now enter into ADB shell via ADB shell and use the command cd/data/system to view related files. Here, locate the locksettings.db file and open it via the following instructions. sqlite3.open locksettings.db.tables. All of those commands will also show up on screen as needed. Doing so will give you access to the lock settings table, which stores the device's lock details. Modifications are to be made only on this table. To display the contents of the table, use the command select from lock settings. Now locate the lockscreen.password_type file, and you need to change its value to 0 to unlock the device. You can do that using the following command that you will see on screen. Finally, run the command adb reboot to restart your device, and it will be unlocked upon reboot. Method number 6, safe mode boot to the bypass app lock screen for Android device 4.1 or later. Next, we'll look at safe mode, which can be a quick way to bypass certain lock screens set by third-party apps. This method works for Android devices running versions 4.1 or later. It will only be useful if a third-party lock screen app is being used to lock the device. You cannot use this method when using a built-in device screen lock. So let's go ahead and check out the steps needed for this solution. To boot into safe mode, press and hold the power button on your locked device until the power options appear, and then press and hold the power off option until you see a prompt asking you if you want to reboot into safe mode. Confirm by tapping the safe mode button. Once your device restarts in safe mode, all third-party apps, including lock screen apps, will be temporarily disabled. Now move to apps in settings and uninstall the third-party lock app that you are using. Finally, reboot the device to get out of safe mode. Method number 7, remove Android lock screen by emergency call trick for Android 5 or earlier. Now let's explore a unique trick that works on some Android devices running Android 5 or earlier. This method, known as the emergency call trick, allows you to bypass a lock screen by exploiting a glitch. Now let's go through exactly how to do that. On your locked device, tap emergency call to access the dialer. Type a series of asterisks into the dialer. Continue adding asterisks until the field is full or until you've entered around 10 to 20 characters. Double tap the asterisk string to highlight it, then select copy. Tap into the input field again. Paste a copied asterisk and continue copying and pasting until the field can no longer hold any more asterisks. Go back to the lock screen and open the camera app. Swipe down to access the notification bar, then tap the gear icon to launch settings. When prompted to enter a password, paste a string of asterisks into the password field. Keep pasting the string until the lock screen crashes, allowing you to access the home screen once more. And there you have it. There are 7 different methods to bypass an Android lock screen. From safe data preserving options to complete resets, we've covered a variety of techniques so you can choose the best one for your situation. Remember to use these methods responsibly and only on devices that you own. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.